Hello, in this video, we're talking about using continual lines with backslashes in Python. So because in Python coding, they usually has a limit for the maximum length in a line with 80 characters, and many people are using length less than this number, for example 50 characters. And if you have a statement longer than 80, usually you have to use multiple lines, and with that can use backslash. So Python will understand backslash means the next line is a continual line of the first line. So next we will show in Python coding, and you can also download this source file for the whole section 3 of the coding from this website. You go to download from this website, you will find Python beginning course. So we go to this file and go to continue lines with backslash. So if, for example, we will concatenate these 4 strings together using multiple statements, so you can just run these 5 statements one by one. Then we will show this object is correct to concatenate all strings together in one string. And alternative way is that you can use one statement concatenating together these strings, but using continue lines for the backslash. So this backslash means the next line is a continue line from the previous line, and so on. So we'll show the results will be the same. But be careful, here you have to use 4 spaces here, space characters for each line, because Python considers the next line will have 4 space. Thanks for watching.